Guys, I got a secret. We got a new house. Come on, let me show you. Hey guys.
Come on in.
Before we get into the tour, I want to introduce you to the sponsor for today's video, Fabletics. Fabletics is where fitness meets fashion, and they offer some of the most high quality and comfortable activewear and loungewear that I've ever owned. I love that their pieces can transition from the gym to running errands to hanging out around the house. And there are so many options from fabrics to colors and styles, so there's literally something for everyone. These are some of my favorite looks from this past month, but new items are dropping every Thursday, so there's always something to choose from. I personally love the Power Hold leggings and shorts because they suck me in and keep me feeling snatched, but also comfortable when I'm on the go. See-through leggings are a pet peeve of mine, but Fabletics always uses high-quality fabrics, so you'll never have that issue. Now Fabletics is giving everything you need to get active, from the clothing to the workouts. They recently launched the Fabletics Fit app, which offers workouts from yoga to HIIT to meditation and everything in between. So now you can access the app from your phone and get a good workout in even from your living room. For today's outfit, I decided to try out this brown onesie from the latest Sculpt Knit collection, and I'm in love with it. From the color to the comfortable fit, it was the perfect choice for the day. I used one of my Fabletics hoodies to tie around the waist, and now it's time to pick out some shoes. Of course, I always accessorize with some gold jewelry, and today I was in the mood for some hoops, and I also added a bracelet. Shoes are on and I'm ready to go. I love these simple but cute outfits for days when I have things to do but also want to be cute doing it. If you like these looks, you should definitely sign up to be a Fabletics VIP member. You'll get access to exclusive collections, free access to workouts on the Fabletics Fit app, and up to 50% off of the site every single day. Check the description box below to shop the pieces you just saw and more. Thank you so much to Fabletics for sponsoring this video.
Guys, it's your girl Brianna, aka Mini Marley, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my new house. So I purchased this house a couple months ago and I've just been waiting to get started on renovating it and changing it and turning it into my dream home. But before I do that, I wanted to show it to you guys so that you can see what it looks like before, so you can really appreciate the entire transformation. I have so many plans for this place and I'm going to share all of them with you in this video, show you guys my inspiration, what I'm going for, and yeah, you guys can let me know in the comments what you guys think. But for now, I want to give you a tour of my new home. Alright, so when you walk through the front door, this is pretty much what you see, this big open space right here. This is probably going to be like my formal living room area, and then on this side will be my formal dining room under this light right here, which I'm definitely changing. But the main thing that's going to be changing in the entire house is these floors. So there's tile downstairs and like a bamboo hardwood upstairs, which you'll see later. But I definitely want to get rid of these tiles in general and just put some really nice light colored wood. And of course, I'm going to be changing the color on these walls. It's a little bit too colorful for my liking. But one of the things that I love most about this area is all of the different windows that are around the room. I think that they really brighten up the space during the daytime, and it just is so nice. So I cannot wait to decorate this area, but it's so much space, so I have a lot of work to do. But you guys, of course, will follow me along on the entire process. And then if you come this way, it's the stairs that lead you to upstairs, where all of the bedrooms are, the master bathroom, the second bathroom, and yeah, we'll go up there later. But first, let's go to the kitchen. Before you get to the kitchen, you stop here, and this is my half bathroom for guests. It's actually a pretty big half bathroom, so I have a lot of different plans for here as well. I want to do some board and batten along the bottom of the wall, and then do a really fun wallpaper on the top. I'm going to change out these sinks and toilets and mirror and light fixture and everything in here. And yeah, this is going to be a fun space. I think this is going to be one of the first things that I do by myself when the renovation is over. So yeah, I can't wait to get in here. And then once you pass the half bathroom, you get to the kitchen area over here. Okay, so now we are in the kitchen, and I really love it because it has these two separate type of islands. This island has the bar like step up area, but we're actually gonna chop it down and make it one big flat island. And then I'm gonna turn this one around, put a little wine cooler in here and everything. I really love this kitchen, but I do not like the countertops and the color of the cabinets. So we're actually gonna be changing these countertops to like a white marble quartz type of countertop. And then I'm gonna be painting these cabinets white. And I feel like that'll make a big difference, making this area feel even bigger and more airy with a lighter color cabinets and countertops. So I'm really excited about that. And then I have this pantry right here, which I cannot wait to organize and design with you guys in another video. And then this back door that leads to another little back outside area that I have. I don't really want to show it too much, but you guys get the idea. It's just like a little back outside space that I can use for entertaining or something like that, a smaller one. But there's another outside space that I will show you that's at the front, and that is the reason I fell in love with this home, but we'll get to that later. And then this door right here just leads to the garage. There's really nothing to see here, just a regular garage. I have my car parked in here right now, but it's a 2-car garage, and yeah. Then in front of the kitchen area is this space right here, which is pretty much the family room that we'll actually be using for like watching TV, chilling, all of that good stuff. The other side, I'm not sure if I'm gonna put a TV over there. I don't think I'm going to. I want it to be more like a formal living room for entertaining and guests and all that type of stuff. And then over here is just the family room where I'll be sitting. Right now, there's not really much to see here, but I am gonna be doing a black marble like TV electric fireplace area. But that's gonna be on this wall right here. And right next to the family room is these double doors right here that leads to an area that I am in love with. Okay, so behind you guys, there's a little gate. I don't really want to show you because then you'll actually see exactly where I live. But once you walk through the gate, this is what you enter, and I love it. It's kind of like a Spanish style terrace type of situation, and I feel like it is just giving all of the vibes. I love it. This is where I'll definitely be entertaining guests if they come. I probably will do like a little sectional type of situation. I really want like a fire pit. I really want to deck this out. This is my favorite part of the home. I think that it's so beautiful. And as you can see to my right, these are the doors that you would enter in if you were coming to my house. These are the 2 front doors, and then those are the double doors that are right next to the family room. So if I was having a party or something like that, I could open those 2 doors and just have like an indoor-outdoor situation. Lit. This is definitely my favorite part. And I love that it's open, but there's still some covering so you get shade because it is Miami, it is hot as heck. So that is a must. All right, let's go back inside and go upstairs. So when you get to the top of the stairs, this is pretty much what you see. It's like this nice open area right here with the window, really high ceilings. And I feel like this should probably be like just like a sitting area with 2 chairs or something. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna put here yet, but this is a really nice inviting area at the top of the stairs. And then my bedroom is this way, and the other 2 bedrooms are this way. So I'll show you those first. So this is the second bathroom. This one is upstairs. This will pretty much be Stella's bathroom, and it just has the regular stuff, the sink, toilet, and shower. And I think that we're going to resurface these walls and the tub. I'm gonna be changing the toilets. I'm going to change the countertops right here. And then to save money, I'm actually gonna leave the bottom cabinets. I'm just gonna paint them and change the hardware to kind of bring new life to them. And I'll probably change out this mirror and this light fixture, and I think that that should make this bathroom look brand new. But right now it just has the bare minimum, so not really much to see. And then right next to this room, so this is pretty much my room that I cannot wait to deck out and turn into a really fun space that I can use for filming videos. It'll also be like my office where I edit my videos and everything like that. And I have so many ideas for in here. Of course, the floors will be different. different, the walls will be different. But other than that, I'm thinking that I want to make this area have like some fun wallpaper on it, and that'll be my background for filming hair and makeup tutorials. Then I also want to have like a sitting corner with a chair where I could film like talking videos, and then have my desk area probably underneath the window or something like that. I'm not really sure, but I'm really excited to have my own space to film content, because for the longest time I've just been doing it in other areas around my house. I haven't really had a room for filming, so my lights and everything are all over the house, and it's just a mess, and I'm really happy to have it all contained in this area and for this just to be my little work room. Then before you make it to Stella's room, which is right here, you have the washer and dryer right here, and right now it has this really terrible kind of accordion shutter door, and I'm gonna be getting rid of that, and I'm gonna put some bifold barn doors. And yeah, there's some closet space in here, a lot of closet space in here actually. So I want to change these shelves and make it look a little bit more appealing, and you know, do the whole aesthetic laundry room organization thing in this side of it. And I'll be keeping these washer and dryer. And then the AC unit is in this closet, and then this closet right here is pretty much my linen closet for towels, sheets, all that good stuff, which is nice to have right across from my laundry. So yeah, now I'll let Stella show you her room. This is Stella's room. So tell them about your room.
This is all the pictures.
We're gonna take those pictures off, right? And this is your closet over here. And you have 2 windows. Show me your 2 windows.
This is one of them.
Yeah. And then you have another window over here. Your room is really big. Don't touch that, so you can't touch that. You can charge your iPad there. Yeah. So Stella has the bigger of the 2 rooms that are on this side. So of course I feel like she can grow into this room. So I wanted to give her the bigger one. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna be taking those pictures off of the wall, changing the paint and everything in here. Her bedroom right now is rainbow themed, and I'm gonna keep that same theme, but we're gonna take it up a notch. I have a design that I think I want to do on the walls, and I want to hand paint them, so that should be fun. And I definitely want to customize this closet a little bit so that it will be better suited for her and all of her things. But that's pretty much it. This is the second bedroom. Now let's finally go see my room. You walk in, there are 2 closets, one to your left and one to your right, and they're pretty much like this. I'll definitely be customizing these closets when I get to it so that I can make them perfect for my needs. But I love the fact that I have a lot more closet space than I have right now, so that'll be really fun to fix up and organize and just make my own. But let's continue on into the room. Alright, so this is my bedroom, the master bedroom. I love the windows in here. There are 2 big windows right here, and I'll probably be putting my bed in the middle of it and have my little nightstand. And I think I really want to do like a sitting area over in the corner. And then there's also a glass door right here that leads out to my balcony, which is really nice that I have some outside space attached to my room. Love that. But yeah, I definitely want to have a sitting area in my room. It's really wide, so I definitely have the space to do it. So I'll probably have a big chair here with an area that I can put my feet up if I want to sit, read, or whatever. And then when you come this way, this is the door that leads to my balcony. I don't think I'm gonna take you guys out there, but you guys get the point. And then my bathroom is right here. So this is the master bathroom, and outside of the kitchen, this is probably gonna be the biggest transformation in the house because it definitely needs a lot of updating, starting with these countertops, which I hate. I hate these countertops. We're definitely gonna be switching these out for like a marble countertop, and we're gonna paint this cabinet so that I can still keep it because it's in great condition, so I don't really want to get rid of it. I'll just change the hardware on it and paint it. I'll be changing these mirrors, and I'm also going to be knocking down this wall, at least half of it, because it kind of makes the bathroom feel a little bit small and closed in, but if I were to open this up, it would be just a lot more spacious. I'm also going to be changing out this toilet like all the other toys in the house and doing a different tile on this bathroom, taking out this sliding door and putting one of the seamless doors, and also I'm going to bring the shower out a little bit. It can come out a little bit farther than it is just to make it a bit wider, so I'm definitely going to do that. But the thing that I'm most excited about in this bathroom is the tub. So this door currently opens in, which is really annoying and it gets in the way. We're gonna be changing that so that it opens on the outside. And then we're also going to be pulling out this tub right here, taking it all out and putting in a freestanding tub. I wanted that for so long, so I'm really excited to get rid of this one and get the one that I want. I want it to be giving spa looks, okay? So that's the plan for this bathroom. Alright guys, that is pretty much it for the house tour. I hope that you really enjoyed it. This has been such a fun process of buying the house and then getting to design it and basically pick out a whole plan for how I want this to look. The renovations actually start tomorrow, which I am so excited for. But I just had to show you guys what the house looks like before so that you guys can come along for the whole transformation journey with me. I'll be vlogging the entire renovation and posting weekly vlogs about it. And then once we're all done renovating, I of course will be showing you guys how I plan to decorate the house, and we'll go room by room and turn this place into a masterpiece. I'm living my HGTV dreams right now, and I want you guys to live it with me. So definitely stay tuned for more house content, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.